Hey guys, what is up today with my pretty pink nail polish? Because we are doing an unboxing video with the SONY XPERIA L2. So let's get this unboxed. Oh, look at this baby. Look at this. It's matching my nails. Look at it. It's matching my nails. Look at it. It's matching the nails. Let's turn this on. And yes, this is fully charged. I actually did an unboxing. So, oh, look at this. SONY. So while that's turning on, and here's the charger. I don't know why they gave me another USB, but it's an extra cord. I have tons of experiences. And the directions. Don't need directions. And is there anything else in this box? Anything else in this box? Nothing in the box. Nothing. So I guess there's nothing in the box because there is nothing in the box. Nothing in this box. Oh wait, there's nothing in the box. So let's find things. So, don't need directions, but I will just throw those over there. Oh, perfect. And my bonfire. Got it. Okay, as this is starting up, I am always a huge fan of SONY, and I have always wanted to do an unboxing with SONY because most of my unboxings, I usually do camera unboxings, I do phone unboxings, but this one is going to be different because it's SONY. And here it is. I actually unboxed this last night and I was syncing all my stuff on here from my Huey device. This is going to be just my business phone. And this is basically, I kind of like it, Sony. You know, you have the headphone jack. And if you really want a phone, an Android phone, I recommend this SONY. Because SONY, you know, this is where you put, what did I push? You got this, the apps, so many apps out there. Let's try. Like a 360. It kind of does. Does that look like a 360 right? Okay, I'm gonna record. Hey guys, I am on set right now. I'm actually recording a video about the unboxing of the SONY XPERIA, and this is a testing video recording of how the audio sounds. This is no mic, no nothing. So I'm just testing this audio, see how this sounds, and yeah. It sounds pretty good. I hope it sounds good. It's no mic, no nothing. Yeah. So this is a test. Okay. Okay, let me try the photo. The camera feature, so we're gonna have a couple photos up there. So that is pretty much it. This is the Sony Xperia. We did a little unboxing today on the Sony Xperia. Yes. So make sure you hit that subscribe button up there, and make sure you follow me on the lens of @Sammy's Life.